Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 30th, 2023, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA ETF, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's just jump right over to the chart and look at this right quick and wrap this all up here at the end of the year. And before I forget it, everybody have a happy new year. Thank you all for subscribing and watching. And I will continue doing this next year. And see if I can add anything else. I've been thinking about some things, but I have to be kind of careful about what I put out. All right, but let's look at it. But what I am going to do, I put it out there before. I don't know how many of you guys noticed it, though. I did put a book out there on candles and candle patterns. And I am going to put another book out there on the mentality, the psychology of trading also, probably maybe in the links in the description of the body of these videos or the next set of videos. Probably the next set of videos. I don't feel like going too much today. Just get through these videos and be done. Yes, I am sounding a little different. I do have a little something going on. It's not COVID, but it does have me a little achy at this time. But let's jump over to this and be done with it. All right, the Dow. The Dow has already, as we had said last week, it has made all-time highs, like we was expecting it to do. The thing is, what is it going to what's going to happen from here? Are we at a high at a point where we need to get a pullback, or are we at a high where we're going to just continue going higher? You know, here on this quarterly chart, we're above an R1 on yearly pivot, R1 on yearly pivots. We're going to be opening up the new year above pivot, so I do expect us to be another year staying above pivot and going higher, not going lower at all. So I kind of expect that. But if we get down close to pivot, I will be looking for that bounce if we do get a pullback. It is time for a pullback. And see, this is the high that we had here on the monthly chart. We can see this is the high that we've broken. We've gone quite a bit above that. On this picture, we actually went above an R3 level here on these quarterly pivots. And also, it was a pretty hot month here this last month here. And how high we have gone in this last quarter. So, like I say, it is time for a pullback. When will we get that? Will we get it right after the first of the year? The thing is, we're going to be looking at these weekly charts and see what's happening. Let's go down to this weekly chart and see what's happening here now on the Dow. On the Dow, wow, see, the Dow was still hot last week. Let me zoom in here a little bit where you can see what I'm seeing. Weeks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green weeks in a row on the Dow and making all-time high. The Dow, like I had said before a few weeks back, the Dow is hot, but now I think we're at a point where we need to be looking for a pullback. But we're going to be opening above pivot come the new year, so that means, you know, this thing might pull back a little bit and bounce, still not going below 370 and then go higher, because this thing has just been really hot. But let's go ahead and take a look at the daily chart and see what's happening there, and wrap this on up. As you can see here, so this is the only thing here on the Dow. The Dow pulled back on Friday, like a lot of the products did, but it came right back up. And formed the doji at the top. That's why I'm saying next week is very critical to see what's going to happen that first week of the year. Is that first week of the year going to give us a topping pattern, and this thing is going to actually pull back some right off the beginning, or is it going to continue higher? We are going to be open on the Dow. We are going to be opening above pivot, so I do expect it to go higher a little bit, but we can pull back and kiss this pivot point and then go higher. I don't see any gaps here that this thing needs to fill at all. Look like the Dow has been going up pretty smoothly and pretty aggressively. So this is the hot one. This has been the hot one right now. And that's all I have to say here on this. And I hope all you guys had a great year. Hope you guys have a happy new year and a prosperous new year. And I'll speak to you next year. Have a good one. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Have a good one. Bye.